Hello children. Our next topic is combination or propagation of error. In the last topic we have done absolute error, mean absolute error, relative error और percentage relative error. Suppose आपको एक ऑब्जर्वेशन गिवन है A and B 2 पॉइंट्स हैं. फर्स्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन 14.1, सेकेंड ऑब्जर्वेशन 14.2. बट एक्चुअल जो ऑब्जर्वेशन है दैट इज 14.3. दिस इज नोन एज एक्चुअल वैल्यू. नाउ if the actual value is 14.3, then first observation is 14.1. It means there is some error in this first observation, and that error is actual value minus observed value, that is 0.2, and this is known as absolute error. So absolute error is 0.2, and the second observation is 14.2, actual value is 14.3. Then there is error in the second observation and the error is 0.1. This is absolute error in the second observation. Now we have two observations. First A 14.1, second this is B 14.2. Absolute error in the first observation is delta A 0.2. Absolute error in the second observation delta B 0.1. Now suppose you have to add these two numbers A and B. Now you will add 14.1 plus 14.2. Your answer will be 28.3. But according to the actual value, first observation should be 14.3 and second observation that should also be 14.3. According to the actual value, first observation should be 14.3 and second observation should be 14.3. Then your sum of the two numbers should be 14.3 plus 14.3. That should be 28.6. But according to your observations A and B, your result is 28.3, but the actual result should be 28.6. So therefore, now there is some error in the sum of two numbers, that is called propagation of error. Now we will start combination or propagation of error. First, when the result involve the sum of two observed quantities. Let A and B are two observations. Two observations. Delta A and delta B is absolute error in A and B. Let S is sum of A and B, and delta S is absolute error in S. Now sum of two number S equal A plus B. Equation number first. Now you can write with the absolute error S plus minus delta S. Plus minus because absolute error can be positive, absolute error can be negative. Now you can write A with absolute error A plus minus delta A, plus you can write B with the absolute error B plus minus delta B. You can write S plus minus delta S. This is A plus B. Now you can add these two, plus minus delta A plus minus delta B. Now from equation number first, a plus b is equal to s. Now you can write s plus minus delta a plus minus delta b, s plus minus delta s. You can cancel, therefore now you can write plus minus delta s equal plus minus delta a plus minus delta b. So maximum possible error, maximum possible error in sum of two number is delta a plus delta b, which is equal to delta s. So your result will be s plus minus delta s. Now you can calculate as a plus b. You can calculate delta s, that is equals to delta a plus delta b. Now according to this article, we have question: if two resistance are R1 equal 100 plus minus 3 ohm and R2 is equal to 200 plus minus 4 ohm, find the sum of resistance. You have to find the sum of these two numbers. Now according to the article, you have to find S, this is equal to A plus B. Now according to the statement, this is A, this is delta A, this is B and delta B. So you can write S equal, now you can take A as 100, B as 200. So S will be 300. Now you can calculate delta S equal delta A, this is 3 plus delta B 4. So delta S equal to 7. So your result will be S plus minus delta S, which is equal to 300 plus minus 7 ohm. Now second topic is find the final result involves the difference of two observations. Same, A and B are two observations. Plus minus delta A and delta B are absolute error in A and B. Let capital D is difference between two observations. And delta D is absolute error in D, such that D equal A minus B. If we suppose A greater than B, if B is greater than A, D will be B minus A. Now you can write D plus minus delta D equal A plus minus delta A minus B plus minus delta B, D plus minus delta D equal A plus minus delta A minus B plus minus delta B. Now you can write A minus B plus minus delta A plus minus delta B. From equation number first, A minus B equal D, D plus minus delta D plus minus delta A plus minus delta B. Therefore, it will be cancelled. Plus minus delta D plus minus delta A plus minus delta B. Now various possibilities are various possibilities of delta D is delta A plus delta B, delta A minus delta B, minus delta A plus delta B, minus delta A minus delta B. Maximum possible value is delta A plus delta B. Therefore, delta D equal delta A plus delta B. This is equation number 2. So your result will be D plus minus delta D. According to this article, we have question: let A is 70 plus minus 3 and B is 15 plus minus 2 meter. Then calculate the difference between the two observations. Here A is 70, delta is 3. B is 15, delta B is 2. A is greater than B, so D will be A minus B. 70 minus 15, that is 55. Delta D is delta A plus delta B. This is 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So result will be D plus minus delta D, 55 plus minus 5 meter. This is the answer.